Hey, it's Melissa with CostCertified, and I'm going to walk you through today our integration with QuickBooks. So I'm going to go ahead here in my pipeline and open up the Rubik's Cube. And from here, I'm going to navigate down the menu to Account Export Settings. This is the QuickBooks integration page where you're able to connect and disconnect your QuickBooks account. Now that your account is connected to CostCertified, you can start sending invoices that will update in QuickBooks. Back on our pipelines page here, you have invoices that are in progress. I'm going to go ahead and send that invoice off to the client. And it's as easy as that. Once you've sent that off to your client, you'll be able to track your invoices in QuickBooks. Once again, I'm Melissa from CostCertified, and thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough today.